Hello everyone, today I'm going to give you a demo about LINK65. First, you have to make sure that the scale and the PC are in the same network. I mean the three segments. The first three segments should be the same as your PC or should be the same as your network. After connection, you can click on the device manager to check the online status. Green means the device has been connected. Red means the device is offline. Yellow means the device is not available. At the first time uses, you have to click on Insert Record, and then you input your IP in here, the scale IP, and click Search. And then you tip and add. Okay, now let's go to the PLU section. To add one single PLU, you just click on Insert Record. And then you click Insert Record to add another one. If we want to edit all the information, you can right click and then select all, and then click Put Edit. For example, if you use the same weighing unit, you can choose kg. And barcode type, if all the PLU use the same barcode type, you can choose from here. For example, barcode type 3 or barcode type 2. And if you use the same label type, you can also choose from here. For example, now we use label 7. And then we click Save. And you can also import the PLU information that you already have in your computer. Or you can export all the PLU information to your PC. For example, yes. Okay. After all the PLU information is added, and you can click Download to download all the PLU information to your scale. In this section, you have to input the scale IP address. Or if you want to download the PLU information to more than one scale, you click multi-device and tip the device that you want to use the same PLU and click Download. completed. Okay, now we go to the Hotkey section. You can generate the Hotkeys automatically. You can choose a single line, or you can choose double line. Double line means one key has 2 PLU, and single line just 1 PLU. Here we generate single line. And after you generate the PLU, you can upload the after you generate the Hotkey information, you can click download to download all the PLU to your scale. Here you also input the scale IP address and then click download. Or if more than one scale using the same Hotkey, you can tip the devices from here and then click download. Okay. Now we go to the label editor. For the label editor, we offer 6 templates. You can click label, and then you can edit the label content according to the templates we sent. Click open. If we want to upload pictures, you just double click and then click import. Okay. If the picture is too big, you check the corner to make it smaller. Those are the shortcut keys. For example, if you want to add the unit price, you can just click on the icon and then drag the unit price to the label. This is the label number. For example, in the previous, we select the label number as number 7, and if you want to use this one, and you have to rename this, label as number 7. How to rename? You just simply click File, Edit, and rename the label number as 7, and then click OK. Click download to download the label to scale. Here also input the scale IP address and then tip. Okay, now the data has been uploaded. Those are the three base functions for LINK65. For more information, please refer to Aclas service menu.